Imagine this. You're flying through space, moving past planets and stars, and suddenly, you come across Neptune's largest moon, Triton. But something feels off. Triton isn't like any moon we've ever seen. It's hiding something big. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you'll be blown away by the secrets it's keeping. Let's start with the first mystery. Triton doesn't follow the rules. At all. Stick around because we're just getting started with this moon's bizarre behavior. Okay, here's the first strange thing about Triton. It orbits Neptune backward. Yep, while most moons in our solar system orbit in the same direction their planet spins, Triton is like, nah, I'm doing my own thing, and it goes the opposite way. And scientists think they know why. Triton wasn't originally Neptune's moon. Imagine Triton as a wandering object from the Kuiper belt, floating through space, minding its own business, until Neptune's gravity swooped in and kidnapped it. Now Triton is stuck, orbiting Neptune in the wrong direction. It's basically the rebel child of Neptune. This retrograde orbit is extremely rare, and it's what gives Triton its rebellious, mysterious nature. But Triton's backward orbit, that's just the beginning of its weirdness. Now let's talk about cold. Triton is one of the coldest places in the solar system. And when I say cold, I'm talking temperatures that plunge to minus 391 degrees Fahrenheit. That's way colder than Antarctica on its worst day. At these temperatures, everything should be completely frozen solid. Nothing should be moving, right? Triton should be an icy graveyard with zero activity. But here's the twist. This moon isn't just frozen and quiet, it's doing something crazy. Get ready because Triton has a way of surprising us with its next trick. Triton has volcanoes, but not the kind you're thinking of. These are ice volcanoes. Instead of lava, these icy mountains erupt with nitrogen gas. Picture frozen geysers shooting nitrogen miles into space from Triton's surface. These eruptions happen because Triton is still geologically active. And that's wild, right? How is a place this cold still alive with volcanoes erupting? Scientists think it's because Neptune's gravitational pull is still tugging at Triton's insides, heating it just enough to keep things moving. So even though the surface looks frozen, beneath it, Triton's core is still bubbling with energy. And speaking of what's beneath Triton, this next secret might be its biggest one yet. Here's where things get really exciting. Triton, this icy moon, might have a hidden ocean underneath its surface. Yes, you heard me right, an ocean. Picture a layer of liquid water beneath the ice. How is that possible, you ask? Well, Neptune's gravitational forces could be creating enough heat to keep water liquid below the surface. And we all know what liquid water could mean, right? It's one of the key ingredients for life. Could Triton be hiding some form of life beneath its frozen shell? Microorganisms swimming in this hidden ocean, deep in the dark under miles of ice? We don't know for sure yet, but Triton is definitely on the list of places where life could exist in our solar system. Imagine discovering life not on Mars, but on a moon that's colder than anywhere on Earth. But Triton's surprises don't stop there. Its future is even more dramatic than its past. As if Triton's past and present weren't strange enough, its future is even more dramatic. You see, Triton's backward orbit is slowly bringing it closer and closer to Neptune, and one day, millions of years from now, Triton is going to get too close. When that happens, Neptune's gravity will rip Triton apart, piece by piece. The debris from this shattered moon will spread out and could form rings around Neptune, like Saturn's rings. Triton might be a moon today, but in the future, it could become Neptune's crown of icy rings sparkling in space. It's a tragic fate for a moon that's already lived such a strange life. Triton went from being a rogue object, captured by Neptune, to an active world with ice volcanoes. And eventually, it'll be torn apart. But while we wait for that distant future, Triton still holds so many mysteries for us to uncover. So what have we learned? Triton is a moon that doesn't follow the rules. It orbits backward, it's frozen on the surface but alive underneath, and it might even be hiding a secret ocean. And one day, it'll be ripped apart by Neptune's gravity. But there's still so much we don't know. Are there any forms of life in that hidden ocean? What other secrets is Triton keeping from us? With future missions we might just find out. And remember, this is just one moon in our solar system. If Triton can surprise us like this, imagine what other moons and planets might be hiding. Keep exploring, because the universe is full of surprises. Triton's story isn't over. and neither is our journey to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Subscribe if you're ready for more mind-blowing space discoveries.